Hello everyone, this is Miss Putman, the Avid Teacher, and welcome to Wicker Wednesday. Today and the rest of this month, the month of September, we're going to focus on the W in Wicker, and the W in Wicker means writing. I know we write in all of our classes. It's essential to our learning, and throughout your entire career as a student, I know that you do writing. Some examples that you might see in your classes: I know you take focus notes, anything from Cornell notes to graphic organizers to one-pagers, 3-column notes. There's tons of examples of focus notes. We'll look at those later in the month. You've done quick writes, probably reflections and summaries. You might have done an FQ3R. I know you've done essays and gone through the writing process. All of this writing can sometimes be overwhelming as a student, even when we're not students and we're just writing on our own. It can still be really tough. So I want to start really small, and I want to focus on quick writes. And so quick writes are very short, simple writing. You still need to use complete sentences and use your descriptor words, but it's non-threatening. It gives you a way to write without going over the top and writing for a long time. And usually it's a way for teachers and for yourself to see what you've learned, what you know about a topic quickly and without taking a whole lot of time. So I have a video here that we'll watch over quick writes, and I'll let y'all watch this. My volume. And here we go. Okay, so that's quickly about the quick write. Notice there wasn't a whole lot to it since they are quick and they're fairly easy to do. So I want y'all to practice a quick write, and you need to get out a piece of paper and something to write with. You can use the spiral that you got at the beginning of the year, or any piece of paper should be fine. And for 2 to 3 minutes, I want you to write about how your school year is going so far. Just how is it going, your emotions, what's been happening, what you've been doing. Any of that stuff is good. So be sure to use descriptive words and complete sentences, and just try to write for 2 to 3 minutes. Teachers, if you have time, you're more than welcome to share out with the students and see how their school year's been going. Have them read their quick write. And I'll leave y'all to it. I hope y'all have a wonderful rest of the Wednesday, and I'll see y'all next Wednesday.